Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is a figure of 8 bow. Again, working towards the curve in your ribbon rather than against it, so you don't want to work against, you want to work towards. These ones I tend to do slightly differently. Everyone has a different way of doing them, and you'll tend to find that when you do 5 or 6 or 100 of them, you'll actually find a way that works for you. So I'm going to hold in my left hand and get my right hand to make like a little loop and cross over, like so. And then with this piece of ribbon, I'm going to come back the other side to make like a lace effect. And then I'm going to take that ribbon back under again, making sure that your loops are all the same size. And then I'm going to bring it back over the top this time, like so. You can see again, all the loops are the same size. Then I'm going to twist mine in the middle, like so, and back again. And you can see why I say you've got to work with the ribbon, because if you'd have done it the other way around, your bows wouldn't form properly. And then I'm going to cut my tail. Now this part is a very crucial part. So you need to make sure you've got right in the centre there, and you want to just pinch from the top all the way to the bottom, like that. Doesn't look great right now, but once you've tied it, you'll be able to manipulate it then. So I'm going to tie right in the middle where you've pinched it, just there. Double tying is always a good idea, just to make sure it's nice and tight. And then you can pull out your little loops and position them where you'd like. And I like to finish my little trails as well with a nice little slanted edge. Takes a little bit of practice, these ones, and you don't have to do the loops in the middle, but that's a figure of 8 bow.